Hello everyone, hello my students. Today we are going to learn about the ML, which is machine learning topic. What is machine learning? Have you ever go through each and everything and know about the machine learning? So let me tell you about the machine learning. ML is a field of study that give computer the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed, which means that we have to provide some kind of computer or machine who can easily able to learn without their own, without programming, without being explicitly programmed, and without programming again and again, right? So here we can say that ML is concerned with how to construct a computer program that automatically improve with their experience, right? So with further experience, as like human, the machine should able to provide something to you, provide with their experience, you can get the output, right? So a computer program is said to learn from the experience with respect to some class of tasks and performance measure, right? So if it measure performance at task T as measured by P is performance which is measured as the performance at the task T is measured by P, which improves with the experience. So, what is experience? Experience is like again and again, if we learn something and then we get the experience from that topic. So, the basically machine learning is that thing only which provide, which improve with the experience, right? So, we can say that the traditional, how we can compare with the traditional programming to the machine learning. So, traditional programming is the those programming in which we provide the data and program to the computer and it will provide you output. But if we compare with machine learning, we are giving the output also with the set of data, and then we are getting a program which is said to be machine learning. So each and everyone know about the application. If you don't know, let me know about the application. Let me provide you application where we can use the machine learning. As you can know that, as you all know, we are using machine learning in each and every sector nowadays, as like in healthcare, as like in education, as like in fashion, as like in environment, entertainment, infrastructure, agriculture, sports, security, for the transportation, for the computer games, for the energy, for the finance, for the automation, and for the e-commerce. Okay, so we can see here with the help of examples where we can use the machine learning, and also I will going to show you about the challenges. So let me show about the challenges to you, what challenges we are facing. As here we can see that we have to face the challenge in the machine learning algorithm, like we have to first of all get the data set through which we can train the data, which can we can provide the input to our machine. Second is we have to know about the resources. Next is about the time constraint, how much time it is taking to complete the task, about the cost, about the appropriate approaches, bias, environmental impact, privacy and security, overfitting and underfitting. I will going to explain more about the overfitting and underfitting to you all. And last is about the deployment and maintenance. So these are some challenges which you have to face during the machine learning process or during with the help of machine learning. So next we will going to learn about some of the algorithms which is present in the machine learning. So in next class we will going to learn in deep what are the different type of algorithm we are using in the machine learning. So I hope this lecture will find you well, and with the short information you will know about the machine learning process. Thank you students for watching this video. If you like this video, then you have to press the like button and just do the subscribe button so that it can more helpful to you, also to those students which are eagerly waiting to learn this topic. Thank you everyone.